Welcome to Monster Island. Uh-oh, the number monsters are very hungry today. Can you help feed them the right number of cookies? This is Monster 1. He is hungry for just one cookie. Can you give him one cookie? This is Monster 2. He has 2 heads, and both are hungry. Let's count together. 1, 2. Monster 3 is ready. Let's feed him 3 cookies. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Spin and snack. Monster 4 wants 4 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, Monster 5 is super hungry. Let's feed him 5 cookies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You did it! All the monsters are full. Let's dance the monster number dance. Let's go! Show me your moves. Thank you for watching Learning Songs TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun songs and adventures.